Kim from the greenhouse. Today I'm going to explain the difference between a plant that is grown from a cutting or a plant that is grown from a seed. Right here in front of me, all of these flats are filled with plants, little seedlings that we have grown from seed. To buy seeds, it's generally fairly inexpensive. The other way for us to provide you with plants is from cuttings. This is a cutting. This is a cutting. Oftentimes these are patented and we have to pay a royalty charge on it, and we have to import it from Ontario or Nova Scotia or New Brunswick. These cost a lot more money, A for the royalty, B for the freight, because you can imagine what it costs to ship all these little babies on an airplane all the way from Toronto, especially when the baggage handlers want to keep them overnight just to make life a little more difficult for me. And these, as you can see, don't have any freight charges on them, and you can get zillions of them in one flat, so they cost a lot less. So when you come to us and you buy plants, oftentimes you'll buy them in little cardboard flats, and you'll get 9 in a pack, and they're a lot less expensive than when you buy one of these in a 4-inch pot. Now you know why these cost more.